All right, today we are going to be looking at how to sell. And here I said that you should learn how to sell because this is one of the skills that can save you from poverty. A lot of people have been scammed because they don't want to sell anything. They will see a business opportunity that will tell them you don't need to sell, just come and bring 20,000 naira or 5,000 naira and I'll give you 100,000 naira in 2 minutes, and they will jump on the opportunity and pay the 5,000 naira and the money will disappear into thin air. There is no business, there is no real business that does not involve exchange of value. Quote me anyway. There is no any business that does not involve exchange of value. You give me this and I'll give you that. That is exchange. That is not a business. Run away from it. It's a Ponzi. It will crash one day. Money doubling is not an online business because a lot of people don't really know what is online business. Online business is the same thing you do physical. It's just that you are not doing it and not selling online. So a lot of people want to make extra money. Maybe you have a 9-to-5 job, or you're a mother, you have children at home. You can't have a 9-to-5 job, and you need extra money. So you can look for something to sell online. It must not be physical products. It must not be digital products. It can be digital products. Anything at all. But just make sure that you're selling something. That is how to make money. So if you're running away from selling, you're actually embracing mediocrity because money is made by selling. Everybody you know is selling something. All the rich men you know, they're selling something. I follow Obi Kubana on Facebook. Every day he's advertising his drink. Every day he's advertising his drink. Maybe he's not the one doing that. Maybe he's his manager, whatever, a social media manager. But that every day he must have been given the instruction because he understands that selling is something that you do daily. But people like me and you that don't even have money, some people are shy to sell. Some people are too religious to sell. I've met somebody that told me that she can't do all those things unbelievers do online, selling something. I say, really? So are you saying that selling is a sin? She said, why must I sell what I know? I said, really? But you need money. You don't want to sell. So how do you want to make money? You're waiting for miracle alert? So these are some misconceptions people have. They believe that's why we have a lot of poverty in the house of God. People don't know how to make real money. Money is made by selling. Look for something to sell if you want to make money. That is just it. Look for something to sell. There is no other way to make money than to sell something. Look for something to sell. Okay? Now, there are things you need to learn about selling. Selling is a skill and you can learn it. That is one thing you need to know. Because I'm a teacher by profession. Oh, I didn't introduce myself. Forgive me. My name is Chamaki Debik and I am a teacher and also a life coach. Okay? This is my YouTube channel here at Rostoria Academy. We talk about everything that is not taught in the classroom. So if you are getting value from this video so far, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Don't watch my video without subscribing because in the next video, I'm going to be talking about passive income, how to make money while you sleep. And you need to be among the first people that will watch that video. So you need to subscribe and put on your notification so that you'll be able to watch that video when it drops, okay? Depending on when you're watching this video, maybe it's already on. So you need to check the description because once I put it, I'll put it in the description of this particular one. So now let's continue. Selling is a skill and you can learn it. I used to also be afraid of selling, so I understand what you are passing through and I can relate with your fear of selling. I used to quarrel with anybody. I remember somebody that was trying to introduce me to Long Reach. When Long Reach started, I was like, I'm a teacher. What am I doing with selling? And this is what many people have. And because you have a 9-to-5 job, you don't want to do any other thing until that job suddenly disappears from your hand, or nobody is praying for something bad, but these are realities. Anything can happen. So nobody is praying for bad things to happen, but anything can happen. Things are happening every day. The economy is not even conducive for anybody right now. So we need extra money. And the only way you can get that is to learn how to sell. So nobody is born a salesperson. You can learn it. It's a skill, just like you learn baking. You are not born a baker. You are not born a tailor. You are not born a doctor. You went to school. You studied how to become a doctor. Nothing. We are born blank in our brain. Everything we know now, we learned it. The same way you can learn how to sell. If you are interested in this century, selling is one skill you need to know amongst every other skill you know. If you have a skill, maybe you're a web designer, you don't know how to sell your skill, you'll still be broke. You are a graphic designer, you don't know how to sell your skill, you'll still be broke. So every skill you have still revolves about selling. So if you don't know how to sell your skill, you will still be broke. So selling is, if you're a tailor and you don't know how to attract a customer that will patronize you, you will still be broke. So everything we are doing, you are not learning how to bake because you are going to bake for yourself. No, you are baking so that you can, some people will patronize you. So if you don't know how to sell your baking skill, you will still be broke, even though you have a skill. So you can learn it. And everybody can learn how to sell, whether you are old or young. Because when we talk about personal development and all these things, a lot of young people believe that they are too young. Even some secondary school young children, teenagers who think that they are too young to do some things. It's wrong. If you are old enough to have a smartphone, you are old enough to make money with that smartphone. The era, many years, 20 years ago is not the same thing now. Many years ago, around 10 years ago, there was, or 20 years ago, there was no internet, there was no smartphone. But now you have the advantage. So you must use the advantage to develop yourself and make yourself better, okay? So provided you have a smartphone, you're old enough to make money with it. So your smartphone should be making money for you. If it's not making money for you, drop it. You don't need it. So the next thing, to start selling, first thing is that you need a product needed and relevant for people and solving problems. You don't sell what you want to sell. You need to sell what people need. I'm sure you didn't get me. You don't sell what you want to sell. You sell what people need. People, right now, people are looking for how to make extra money. That is a need for everybody. So do you have a solution for that? Do you have a course or anything that can help people to make extra money? That is something you can sell. Now, school is resuming. As of the time I'm making this video, a lot of school is resuming, and people are looking for maybe go back to school material, shoes and whatever. That's something you can sell. If you have somebody that is selling something like that around your area, you can discuss with the person and begin to advertise some of those products. It's not your product. It's not your own. You're just advertising. And when you get a customer, you go and pick the product, deliver to the customer, and give the owner of the product his own, and you collect your own. I did this many times, some years ago, when my friend was selling one beautiful crayon pack that has different things, even paintbrush and different things. It was really nice. She told me she's selling it for 1,000. I started advertising it. I was advertising for 2,500, and people were buying. It's not my product. I was just advertising. I added 1,000 on top. So, and when I get a customer, I will go and collect it from her, collect my 2,500, go and give her 1,500, and collect my 1,000. She was even telling me that I'm making more profit than her, that is the owner of the product. But she's happy that her product is going so that she can do turnover. So this is how to sell. And where will you advertise these things? Do it on your status. That's your status that you're using to play and send memes and jokes and whatever. That is where you advertise it. But somebody told me that it's childish to post things on your status. And she actually came to ask me for 2K. But telling me that it's childish. Oh dear. Okay. So a lot of people don't like posting on their status, but they want to, they need all the urgent 2K from other people that are making money by selling many things online. So you need a product. That's why to be a business person, you need to learn how to think, okay? Just think about something, a product that people need, okay? Now, after getting a product that people need, you need traffic. What is traffic? That's another question. Traffic is a group of people gathered together. Where are people gathering now? People are gathering on Facebook groups. People are gathering on Instagram. People are gathering on TikTok. Okay, that's where people are gathering now. So when you see where people are gathering, you need to go and drop something that will attract them. You need traffic. A lot of people that will see whatever you are saying. Drop something that will attract them to ask questions. That's how to sell. So when you drop something, anything at all, maybe it's a flyer or a free free book or anything at all they need to come and get it from you. So when they come to get it from you, those people that will come to get it from you are now leads. Traffic is a group of people. Leads are people that are now interested in what you have dropped. I hope you are getting me. Leads are people that are interested in what you have dropped. They will have to come and, if you drop it on Facebook, you need to find a way to make them come to your WhatsApp to get it. Because it's difficult for anybody to buy from you from Facebook. Okay? Because people buy because they like you, they trust you, and they trust you, they like you, and they know you. Yeah. TLK factor. People buy because they like you, they trust you, and they know you. So if they don't know you, they won't buy from you. If they don't trust you, they won't buy from you. Okay? So leads are people that are interested in whatever you are selling. So when they now come to you and you give them whatever you promised them, maybe it's a free ebook, a free video, or whatever, from there they can now buy whatever I said. But you need to, selling is a skill. I said it at first. You need to learn it. This video I'm doing now will not be able to teach you how to sell. There are step-by-step strategies that you guide you on how to do all these things I just talked about. That's why you need to become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketer is a business that will teach you how to sell. There are courses that you need to go through, how to create content that will attract people. Like this, what I say, you drop something. You can create content in form of an ebook. You can create content in form of a video. You can create content in form of just a writing. You need to learn it. It's not, a lot of people take so much time to think about something that will be beneficial for them. You will see something that you know you need. You need this information. You need this knowledge. You are looking for who will go ask you, who will tell you, okay, come and buy it. No, I don't even know how to convince people to buy anything I'm selling, because I'm going to explain everything step by step. As I'm explaining to you now that you need to learn how to sell. I don't need to keep reminding you every day. You make your choice. Okay? I see a lot of people that will come and register to become an affiliate marketer. They are not ready to sell anything. They won't even pick a product from the marketplace. They are not going through their courses. They will come and tell me that it's not working. So what have you done? They are looking at me. So how do you want it to work if you're not doing anything? We live in a generation where people just want things to happen without their effort. I don't know, but everybody you see getting any significant results, they have burnt their candles. They have done their homework. What you are seeing is their results. So don't be moved by all the flashy alerts from affiliate marketers. They have done their homework. They are doing a lot of things that they are learning every day, getting better with their skills. They are selling every day. There is no affiliate marketer that does not advertise on their status. Most of them even run Facebook ad. But you are just sitting down thinking that money will be jumping into your account every month, every week. It doesn't happen that way. So you need to learn how to sell. If you want to become an affiliate marketer, there are different affiliate marketing. I've done a video about affiliate marketing and how you can join us immediately. I'm not going to talk about it in this video. So I'll drop the link in the description. If you want to become an affiliate marketer, it's very simple. That's a business on its own. I will teach you a lot of things. Okay, and I'll drop the video. You will even learn how to run Facebook ad, how to do a lot of things, how to run Facebook ad, how to do many things. Now, let me show you some products you can sell, just in case you are wondering, okay, now I want to sell. What am I going to sell? Now, this is a product. This particular product is how to create AI pictures. I'm sure a lot of you may have seen how people are creating AI pictures. This course will teach you how to create AI pictures and animations when the AI picture is talking. Now, the good news about this course now is that you can resell it. When you get this course, you have the right to resell it and keep 100% of the profit. Isn't it wonderful? You are learning and you can resell this particular course and keep all the money. You will get it and be able. It's not every course that you have the right to resell. Okay, some courses you can sell and take a commission, but this particular one you have the right to resell and keep all the money. This is amazing. We call them PLR products. People just create it and give it out for others to resell. That's a wonderful opportunity. So, and this course is just 1,000 naira. And you will get it and you are free to resell it. Even while you are learning how to do it, you are free to resell it. This is amazing. Now, this is another product. This one has 330 digital products. You can resell and keep 100% of the profit. Are you seeing it? This is another. Alright, so this is another course. This course contains up to 330 digital courses. You can resell them individually and download it. There is a full course that will teach you how to download them and set up your own digital store and do everything. Or you can also resell it as a group and keep 100% of the profit. This is amazing. And this one is also 1,000 naira only. So you have this course, you can decide to learn, you can decide to resell, anything you want to do with it, you can do with this particular course, and it's just 1,000 naira. Is that too much to start your journey? And you even be taught how to sell in this course. So that is another thing, another course. Now this is another course. This one will teach you 5 businesses. It will teach you web design, to teach you mini importation, to teach you Amazon KDP. I'm sure you know about Amazon KDP. To teach you airdrop farming, which is crypto and their brothers. It will now teach you affiliate marketing. So this is a powerful course, and this one is 10,000 naira. These are different money-making opportunities, and that is what people are looking for right now. So if you have this course and you are reselling it, this one, you're not getting 100% of the profit. You're getting a commission. I think it's 40% commission when you sell it. It's sold together like this. So even if you don't have a product, I like to sell digital products because I don't need to worry about delivery. I was selling physical products. It's so stressful because you need to worry about delivery. Some people want to buy from very far place. You worry how will they get there. But when I started selling digital products, I don't worry. These people have bought from me from Ghana, from Zambia, from Zimbabwe. I don't need to worry about delivery. That's why I like digital products. I'll just send you the link. You register and start learning. So the summary of everything I'm telling you today is that you need to learn how to sell. It doesn't matter who you are. In fact, if you're a 9-to-5 worker, learn how to sell. Your salary cannot solve all your problems. If you're a stay-at-home mom, learn how to sell. It's getting more difficult to take care of family from one source. So whoever you are, learn how to sell. It's for your own good. So either you get this particular course and begin to resell it, learn how to. There are different courses that will teach you how to resell it, how to sell, and different things to do. I have a video. Each of the course you get here will teach you how to sell, and will teach you how to sell online. So make up your mind and embrace selling, because that is where the world is going. So I will drop some other information you will need in the description of this video, and if you want to get back to me on WhatsApp, I will drop my link in the description of this video. But whatever you do, just make up your mind to begin your selling journey, because it's a skill. You need time to learn it and be practicing and begin to get used to it. And if you're watching this video, you have already registered as an affiliate marketer, you're not doing anything, just know that you are the one holding yourself. Go to your marketplace, pick up your link, and begin to sell. Okay, go through your courses, because each affiliate marketing course program has a course that will teach you how to sell. If you're not doing it, nobody is holding you, as in you are the one holding yourself. So I believe you got value from this video, and I have other videos about selling on this my channel, so get it and watch.